Alright, so street drifting day. Probably should have started this a little earlier, but it's not too late. We're at the meetup spot. Hey, ugly.
I know you ain't talking to me now.
He's always got the snacks, bro.
New spot day? What's up, dude? Come on. Everybody loves new spot
bro,
day.
new hat day?
Every day.
What? New hat? That thing
Yeah,
looks
dude, it's
fresh.
like an old one. Sponsored one from back in the day. From
Crooked Clubhouse,
from those,
dude.
Come on, quit playing.
Shout out Crooked, bro. Let's go.
No, a new spot day, dude. Love this shit. New spot day. You gotta get out, bro. It doesn't matter how many spots you have. You gotta get out. Find your own spots. There's spots everywhere. That's part of the spirit of street drifting.
Yeah, and like
with your friends or by yourself. Yeah, go find spots. Don't take other people's spots. No. Go find your own.
hey, don't come to our spot. Mike? Hey, it's time to get the car out, dog.
Dude, it's only been time for like a year and a half. Dude.
I would have like,
hey, but
damn
Mike's
near just
dedicated to the game, helping with whatever, but he needs to drive.
yeah. What did Mike do for me like 2 years ago?
Literally let you borrow a car to run my door through a crowded canyon. It was like, get closer, you fucking.
Mike's literally yelling at me in the passenger seat of his car to fucking get in there, bro. It's insane. Mike's real. Mike's real. What's the move? Waiting for Joey?
Yeah, let's give him a dope. I haven't talked to him.
This is our current situation. It's pretty not ideal. It's pretty shitty.
A little shaky. It's alright. It's alright. We'll run it.
We're going anyways. We're outside. The boys are back there. I'll catch you guys on the mountain. It looks like a great corner.
That's not. Those are much better corners.
I don't know, whatever. Hey, whatever fucking.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to our boy Hunter, bro. He ain't been around in fucking. Where'd you move to?
5:30, bro.
Where'd you move to again?
Hey, dude.
Sheesh,
I'm out in the
bro.
Northeast, man.
Come on, man.
We ain't got none of this out there.
Do it different back home.
Yeah, their tires have air out there.
Holy shit, dude, you're flat, Bogo. It's alright, all four of mine were.
Goes so fucking slow up that whole
Yeah. Bro, I can't really. That was perfect.
For a fucking Sunday cruise.
That was perfect speed, bro. I should be wobbling hella bad.
How cold out here, man.
Bro's really got 3 PSI in his tire.
Slowly. It might be fucking pretty compromised at the moment.
Whatever EBK Nubbuck was showing me last night that's above this looks fire. He was showing me, I'm pretty sure.
I don't think so. There's
Pretty sure.
nothing about this.
Pretty sure. That's what Nubbuck was saying.
I just pleaded fifth. I don't know.
No, this is it. Jimmy hasn't even been here. Alright, dude, you always be doubting what I be saying, like I'm some kind of stupid or something.
Well, yeah, look what I'm working with, dude.
Do you see who's talking in the camera screen right now? Bro's got shit crooked, dude.
Yeah, crooked.
Boy, Orlando's filming.
Sir.
Good footage. Today's fucking raw. Good little new spot.
Ready?
Good little new spot. Alright. First run. Let's get it. It's a little sip of my Monster, dude. A little shout out to Monster to keep me going.
I'm gonna go get
Good communication.
On the same channel as Mike after the first couple.
Alright, what is, am I good to go? Don't have to.
You got me?
Oh, I got you loud and clear, Poppy.
You gonna get Mike on the channel right now?
No, it's run time. Hey, that shit's fast. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, that shit's fast. Hey, you're not trying hard enough. Hey, fucking, dude, I'm not even trying to be a dick. Drive that fucking car, Luke. No. Drive that goddamn car. Come on.
That shit's grippy, man.
Yeah.
He's blood drinking and it's falling on his face in seconds.
More faster. Hey, faster. You want me to lead? You want me to lead? All right. Hey, bro. That shit, hey, drive fast, bro. Come on. Quit playing. Drive faster. Like we're
moving.
Pushing. Why? Go up. Roll back.
Roll back.
Hey, Joey.
Hey,
Tell
that downhill's fun.
Joey.
Coming over the
I think he just needs to drive harder. I honestly do. Hey, I'm not even talking shit, bro. I really think he just needs to drive harder.
really hard, dude. And then down there where Mike's at, bro, it's hella slick.
Slick, bro.
You're like hauling ass, dude, like into this slick, and it's fucking.
It's intimidating. It's intimidating. Are we locked
Air
up?
in my fucking tire.
Here, check that. Keep it going. Let's pop out. Everybody's airing up because they're all trash. My shit's gripped up hella bad, but I'm just driving really hard, so.
That's what it's saying, dude. What, really? All of a sudden this guy's done?
Yeah, what? You got it like that? You got to air up harder and more?
Look.
Look at 40. I'm running 39 in my shit. 39? Yeah, 42 would probably be like perfect on my tires right now.
42, nothing more, nothing less.
He's gonna tax me for my vape.
Yeah, bro. You know what the fuck's going on, bro? Hey, keep going.
Hey, go set Mike up and then come back here. Also, we can definitely dodge that corner.
Lucas just in the rest of the corner. I'm like, oh, fuck. I'm just incline just walked up. Yeah, I know. Yeah, looked like somebody was sliding front wheel through here pretty good. Up clear up the road. Bro, it'd honestly be sick, dude. Like, you fucking come through here with some speed, dude, and hit a fat wall like that. Yeah, like confetti, bro.
That'd be dope. Dude, that's not dry. It'd come up hella like that. The fuck you know? Alright, I'm gonna keep this vlog a lot less talking, way more driving. Sonoma vlogs are coming out. There's a lot of editing.
Bro, dude, you know,
I'm new to this, so I'm like kind of burnt out on editing. It's like hours. But Sonoma will come out soon, but I'm gonna drop this vlog before Sonoma, keep you guys in the loop, let you guys know what's going on, give you guys something to watch. But more driving today, less talking for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's some fast fucking tandems, dude. Quit playing! Real pit boys! Hey! Real fucking pit boys right there, bro! That's real pit. I was right, dude. You spun fucking roll back. I threw it on your shit. I don't know how close I was, but it was too close.
I got a video of it.
Yeah.
I looked at it and was like,
I've only done that on Sim. I swear to God.
you're trying to fuck my tires up, bro. Honestly.
It doesn't help when there's no fucking grip up there either.
Yeah.
Kind of smells like fire.
I know. I tried to brake stand it for a second, dude, and just like bogged out.
Ready?
Yeah. Is he on the way or what's he doing?
We pulled off on that road.
Walkie-talkie.
I said we just go.
I'm getting radio silence again.
Probably swapping tires. He knows. We all know.
Oh, hold up. Hey, repeat that. I barely heard.
They're all still up at the other side, yeah.
They're still held up?
Yeah, I don't know. They did a bunch of donuts. Now they're just stopped up there.
Oh, no, that's us. We're the donut doers.
We got 3 rubber duckies requesting sending.
We're the 3 rubber duckies.
Breaker
This is
19.
Rock speaking. Is Lucas still held back?
Yeah, Lucas is still held back.
All right, we're sending a run back right now.
Yeah, we're headed.
Good to go. Oh, hold on! I'm over brake check me, dude. This scared the shit out of me, no cap. Do not put us in a pit stop, bro.
Bullying each other,
We're fucking, bro, I rolled back on Joey so hard, bro, my bumper was racing forward, bro. Dude, we're all sending it, Bro, and we're all sending it, we're running. running it. Joey flips out backwards, doesn't roll back.
All three of us?
Yeah. Flip back, bro.
I'm telling you, bro, if we coordinated that shit.
Bro, and only half that pit's got grip, dude.
Yeah,
The other half,
bro.
like pine needles, dude. It's like you're into pine needles, and like I'm watching Jimmy go hauling ass towards you. Like, uh-oh.
Hey, real sideshow boys out here, bro. Real side. The pit
Hey, you
bosses.
see it on the window, bro. Stay shitty.
Come on. I need another Stay Shitty sticker for the rest of my cars, man. E-brake wasn't cutting it, huh?
Nothing the grip.
Hey,
It's like,
see, if you watch his YouTube video on how to tighten a stock e-brake, you yourself could be out in the mountains tightening
driving
your
like
stock
shit.
e-brake. I would just buy a Henko Auto Labs dual calipers setup, but
Oh fuck.
what's wrong with the ram?
No, with my brain. The tires. Because I need to spin this to adjust my e-brake.
Yeah, you gotta jack up those other cars.
Now.
Buddy,
I don't know how capable of that I am with this jack.
pretty capable if you go from the diff. I've done it a million times.
Stock muffler, dude.
I'm gonna go jack.
Sick and quiet.
Crunch that fucking thing, bro. Whoa. Yeah, that ain't gonna pick it off the other side, is it? I don't
Probably not, but I have a plan, dude.
He's always got a plan, by the way. Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
Rev 9, dude.
Hey,
That bitch stiff.
hey, Rev 9, hit us up, dude. Hit us up. Rev 9 coils for the win.
Ow, that's hot.
Alright. Alright, what are we doing? What are we looking at?
Oh, dude, we're gonna inspect the motor mounts today.
Okay. This is Uncle C times G35.
This is his DOT inspection right now?
What is that doing in there?
Yep, motor mount's still there.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's good to go.
That's his motor mount? Perfect.
Cracked the fucking belt is, bro. Look at this shit.
Oh,
It's probably his only car with AC, too.
God. I don't even think it has AC. No, his truck has AC now. Wow, dude.
Dude,
So if you need any work done, just go to Uncle C time and he'll fix it for cheap and
get you
fast.
right, dude.
Hey, Lucas, you got some extra belts in this thing or what?
Yeah, you have an extra belt with you? What? Do you have an extra belt with you?
This one doesn't look the
This
best.
thing's looking a little Grass Valley, bro.
a
little crack.
little cracked.
Straight full crank, dude. For sure. Dude.
Yeah, dude, it's about to be full spank.
What do you do? Stop looking at shit, dude. Dude, stop touching shit, dude. You serious?
Leave it I'll have one.
Dude,
Oh,
look
I got
at
a
Lucas
I got
looking
a
hella
washer.
smart
I
right now,
got one.
dude.
I got a
It's
VQ with washer
kinda-
fluid, dude. Fuck with me.
Yeah, so did I. So I hit the fucking fence post in front of me.
Wait, you can actually spray your windshield?
I don't think, no.
I was gonna say, that's a
the reservoir's
flex.
there.
That's a flex. My 37,
No, dude, I think I might go.
my 37 don't even do that.
Dude, this thing's got Naruto stickers on it, dude. You know this should work.
It
drive
definitely.
this thing.
Yeah, let's see it. Where,
Yeah.
where does this
No,
go?
this goes to fucking dirt, bro.
Kill the video.
I drove down.
Hey, Lucas, I need you to finish the sentence, okay?
Okay.
This shit's like crack. Perfect.
So do you guys want to go first, or you want to watch me?
No, this is lesson time. You're leading.
Let's see how this goes.
is looking a little better, but still straightening out. I see it. It's muddy as fuck. Oh, dude, it is fast and grippy. My clutch is sticking to the floor, so I keep pumping it. Struggling out here with the stock G35, no handbrake. He really needs a Henko auto lap. Uncle straight line time. Joey's dumping water on his windshield because I have mud all over the front of his car. It's because we ran that one line hella wide. Okay, we got Mike drifting in the truck. Oh, there's still partying back there. Get out the window. hooked.
Dang it.
Bumpers on the ground, dude. We were dragging trees. Oh, that was in gear. Fuck, jeez. The retriever bumper. Do I got any zip ties in the door over there? Oh, I got some.
Here's one right here.
Grab it. My ratchet strap in your truck if I can't get it in. I didn't even know I had good tires back here. And axles, good fire.
You got zip ties?
I got like these cheap pink ones, 4 of them.
Here's
Take. It probably needs your help. This sucks.
I got a knife. You might be able to stab some holes with. Here's fucking thing off
That throwout's real noisy. Oh, there's a screw hole right there. You hear that? Kind of sound like they hit something. Probably scraped. Oh yeah, bingo. I knew there was a random screw hole somewhere, dude. We're about to be set. On one side. It's alright. Then it won't come all the way off again. Boom. There's one. That one obviously broke.
Fucking dirt drop or what?
Dude, did I hit the tree or something?
Hey, my handbrake works a lot better, but the car is so fucking. It's so funny. I'm like.
I'm sick
I
of
think you
hearing
got
it's the
something.
car, bro.
I mean, you watch the video. I'm literally behind you guys, going the exact speed, almost touching Joey, clutch kicking into the car. Whoa!
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I'm behind you. I'm aware. I'm
You gotta,
side
like,
you're
throw
in
more.
front,
You gotta
huh?
throw like more angles so the car will actually like fucking
Grab out a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, like that's what I mean. Like when I yelled "drive harder," like I didn't say it softly. I like yelled it, like hard, bro. Drive.
Shit was
Throw
fun, dude.
that fucking
Oh,
car.
ask Matt riding with me with that seat.
I think. Be honest. He could probably drive harder.
I mean, you can definitely try a little bit.
There's always room for
You're
improvement.
wrong. Looking for validation from everybody else.
Yeah, following your footsteps to a T. Following your footsteps to a fucking T.
Joey fixes his car, dude.
Dude, no, I just put a screw in, but you came here talking shit, so I had to chime in. I had to chime in.
stay on it, dude.
All you gotta do is pull this.
Oh, yeah. Dude, 4
Hey,
cars
I
in the
have
pit
another-
is crazy.
I have another semi-related excuse. My clutch is about
Spank.
She sounded like he smells his all.
Oh, is that you? That's
Yeah, that's
it.
Fire. I thought it was me.
That was my e-brake, and then
That's so gas. Good
If I
news.
shift, bro, if I shift second, it'll take off. Like my foot will be off the clutch, and the car's just barely moving. Oh, it's going.
Why
If I
is it-
kick clutch in second or third.
I can't even do anything.
I just seen a pine needle just blow Rock's bumper off, dude.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, you dirt dropped it. All of us continuous dirt drop.
Yeah, I got a video of it.
That shit was
I
great.
got a 6-buck now. I think the thing's still got a dual mass too. That is real fucking big. You know what?
Dude, I think this one's got a dual mass too, because that shit, I can't leave the hill. We stopped completely in first. You guys are leaving. My shit's like, ooh. Ah, and takes off.
Driving it right.
I'm like,
Oh, fuck.
I'll be
you.
like act like I'm on my 240. I try to take off in like
I'm the
second,
last
dude.
person
It's
you're gonna
fucking
say
bad.
Hey, hey, you see the spare tires this guy brought? Check this shit out, dude.
Perfect.
The fucking wheel.
I know, hey, I know you guys know how to do tires without
Yes,
a
you,
machine.
you can figure it out.
That's crazy.
You think I'm busting tires on the side of the fucking mountain, dude?
At least he has all his tools. I can't hate, but like, fucking forgot the tire machine.
Back in the shop, dude.
I don't know, dude. Take a pull. We'll see if it's smart or not.
bringing empty tires.
I didn't even know they were in there for weight.
I was like, I wish I had those in my car right now. My pipe.
I know. I wish I had 17.
Cool. And the spares I bring are fucking like nice. Like, nicest tires you see me rolling with on my board.
Yeah, of course.
I had some crack 225s fucking sitting right there. I could have fucking.
Bro, these ones are probably honestly working.
Your boy a fucking driver or what?
Oh yeah, dude.
Bro, that's not even up for debate. I'm all, hey, bro, you came on my door in the pit. Well, you see me look at you? I'm all, oh man, I'm getting tapped, dude.
Yeah. I know,
He's
looking
about
over.
to bully me, bro. I just see your headlight on my door already. I'm all, man. And then at one point though, I felt really good, and I was about to be like, let me get my first one on the Jeep.
then you
but I
lost
don't-
grip.
No, but I don't
It's so
want
inconsistent in there, bro. Too like literally.
I just got excited,
I see,
bro,
I'm like
for a
right on
second.
Joey. I just see him just looking.
No,
Take that hand away.
no,
You know, I'm
no.
like,
Joey's just looking at me. I'm just
I'm
like,
waiting to hit like a real slick spot, and you come in hot.
You see Lucas, he like starts to spin.
You guys will see this in the vlog.
oh shit.
Oh, that's where it came off?
Yeah, you fucking smacked those pine.
I had it on that whole time.
Yeah, the whole time.
I was just staring at you like,
You hit that bunch of pine needles, dude. It fucking.
Dude, we were side showing with bumper hanging for days.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ran it over you.
Bad, dude. I'm about to go rake the spot.
I'm buying it up.
Gotta go rake the spot.
Those side by side guys, dude.
Those are side by side guys for sure. We seen them. We don't do sideshow shit.
yeah, we were side by side, all right. Hey, you got a lot more consistent when you spread that shit out.
I treated a whole lot and tried to run shit back up.
We don't have any holes left out there, huh?
Yeah, I know. That's why we turned around, dude. Joey's like, oh,
This is cooked. It's gonna stay like that probably, huh?
We gotta go.
Good to go. Pink zip ties for the win. Zip tied.
You might rub your bumper a
Wood
tiny bit, but I mean, you're still.
There's 5 deep in that grease pit, dude. Like,
Maybe with Orlando's fat ass in there.
Bro is literally skinny as me, bro. All right, so what's up? Go further up now that my bumper's back on?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, cool. Let's get it.
Dude, this road's not less
We're gonna go explore. We'll catch you guys when we're driving.
Catch you guys at the next intersection.
they're definitely hurting a little bit.
This thing has seen much better days.
All right, we're about to go explore. Supposedly we only have like maybe 15, 20 miles left of this road. So we're gonna go check out what's left of it, maybe find some new dope spots. Trying to run doors, bro. That other road is fast, bro. It's fast, it's grippy. You gotta be on point. There's no room for error. And I know all the boys will say the same. It's crazy. Lucas can't even drive. His car's way too gripped up. So we're gonna give him a hard time though, and we're gonna pretend it's because he sucks at driving. So all the boys just keep giving him, just drive harder. Just drive harder. He probably could drive a little bit harder. I genuinely, from my heart, like mean this, not in a mean way. I think he could drive it a little harder, but he's relying on a stock e-brake. Like you guys just saw him tightening that in the parking lot. It's like, so I get it. If you had a hydro, I bet you'd be all right. Because like, I don't know, you grow accustomed to using a hydro, and it sucks, but it is what it is. Look at how we drive. Come drive if you don't like it. All right, we traveled so deep into the hill that it's currently snowing. I don't care. Yeah, let me lead. It's a good section.
Slick too.
It's a good section, and it's slick. Pretty good. Can you see Matt running?
Yeah.
You gotta let me know when he's set up. He's gonna be on the.
Should just hop in Mike's truck and hop He's going for a hike.
This shit's fire.
It's pretty good.
Probably gonna check up quite a bit on the downhill. So just be ready for your heat.
Yeah. just like every time we run shit for the first time, we just fucking space out a little bit.
Alright, we're probably good. Alright, are you ready?
Fuck, you be chasing them out of the road.
Huh?
You're chasing them out the road, bro.
Fire, bro. So fire. Put on performance. Yeah, these runs are gas, bro. This is about to be trying to throw it on Joey pretty good right here.
Parked up on the corner.
We're in the bushes.
I think we could. I think we could back out.
Hey, Mike, we might need you back here right now. Almost all through. Try to back out.
I think
It's
we
still
got
good.
it. I think
You
we
can.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're good. Never mind. I lied. Hey! I had to throw more angle because I transferred on Joey
Yeah,
way
coming
too
back
fast.
up.
Broke his bumper a little, just cracked it right in the worst spot.
I'm good. I'm back.
Get crazy out there. This side's good, that other side's a little cracked. It's so loud.
Okay, they're coming down.
Come downhill.
Alright, so we almost died. Pretty cool. I was way too hot on Joey, and when I flipped in, it was like, I thought I was gonna hit his bumper, so I grabbed too much foot brake and it just locked me out. But all is well. All is well. We need KBD to make some bumpers for this thing, dude. Actually, they
Are
might.
me and Joey clear to come down?
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Alright, we'll catch you when the boys come back down this run.
We're coming up.
That's better, dude. It gets really slick on that corner. It gets really slick.
You're clear to come back down? Yes, clear. 10-4, go.
Threw it out on the boys, dude. Luke's got no e-brake. He struggles to turn around. It's tight in here, too. It's not a wide road at all, by any means.
I'm fucking dog shit on the downhill.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
No, I'll try to change
Yeah.
it.
I'll put Jimmy ahead of me. I'm going to the back.
Coming down. Good doors, good doors, good doors, good doors. Dude, that thing's pretty quick out here. Holy shit. Woo! Runs crazy, bro. Holy man, dude, my adrenaline is cooking right now. That shit's fast, tight, fun. Hot laps, boy. Hot laps. It's hard, dude. He's fast. It's hard to keep up with that thing out here. That thing's fast. Alright. 4-car this time. He always, I don't know if it's just the way the car slides or what, but he always snaps out of transition, dude, and it like almost blows my front end apart. It's not cool. Actually, that's fine. Hold on. You lead, Joey, and then me. Okay. You, me. Go. Slick. Here we go. Get down.
I think he clipped something on the front bumper. Let me check.
You good, Joey? You good? Yeah. How's your head? Ringing? Blew my fucking ear out, dude. Yeah.
You alright? You okay?
Where did you even hit? Yeah, it's just the airbag. It's not that bad at all. It was just slow. The airbag is only that part.
At least this thing out of you. I think.
Hey, at least it happens. Hey, at least you drive straight fucking 75% of the runs.
I blew it, dude. I blew it.
Sounds pretty cool.
I blew it. Let me see this thing. Fuck, dude. Joey, I'm so sorry.
You good?
Fuck, dude.
All part of it, dude.
Fuck.
That was like your pillar above his fucking.
Yeah, it was like
above his quarter.
right there. I'm sorry, buddy.
What did that hit?
My cleanest car, dude.
Hey, dude, this is some sporty driving out here, dude.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
sick.
I almost fucking understeered fucking into that post, dude.
I almost went off the cliff.
Hey, dude, we walked away.
Yeah. Hey, you just gotta cut an airbag out, dude. Okay,
Chill, dude, my door's fucking a little locked.
Dude, I've never had an airbag go off.
Fuck, dude.
Fuck, dude.
That sucked.
Fucking freak.
You know,
Hey,
good
I'm
thing
like,
it was
what
fucking
the, dude,
wet
the
out.
fucking roof collapse, bro? Like, what
Hey, dude, do you think we can clear it out? I want to start running some time trials through here. So.
Yeah.
When I hit you, Joe slid like 5 feet.
Bro, I tried my
I
hardest
know, I
to
stayed
get
out
of
of
there.
him, and then I hear, I heard you, I'm like, oh,
I just walked out.
God, dude, I was on a sick one. I was way too
Bro,
sporty.
your line was fucking
Fire, dude.
you literally on the edge, bro.
on the edge. I'm waiting to get my. You see,
Bro,
I think I dropped it on the way down.
We know you like doing that. I've seen it in all the videos, bro. It's like all of us, yeah, you're gonna see me. Yeah. They're not be outside. You're like, oh, you zooming, bro.
fuck, man. Running wide, bro. I kept inching closer to you, and then one of them you got hella close. I felt it. I felt it.
Oh, man.
I sold the bag, bro. I really sold the bag. Spun out in the front of the line. Joey's airbag blew from Jimmy hitting him because I spun. Big no-no. Pit goes hard, though. Hey, you're not wrong. The pit goes crazy.
We should probably go sweep all that. There's like dirt on the road up there.
I'm trying to fucking.
Like dirt bad.
There's a fender rolling, dude. It's deep in the cuts.
Oh, you already got one?
Yeah. Don't go double.
Keep coming.
Luke, what are you doing?
Extra ramrod.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna work great.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, that was good, dude. Let Luke
You
run.
fucked up my phone hand, bro. So you always fucking up my jack.
Hey, since
My phone, you put the foam in there, bro. I was gonna say something.
hey, since it's already fucked up, don't rip it off. No, use that again. That's the only thing that's gonna be thick enough to push that back
What's gonna
out.
be better is this is gonna lock in. Gritted,
Alright.
gripped with gritted.
Ribs for your pleasure.
Hey, should we try forward now?
Rip for Joe's.
Should we try forward now?
Let me wail on it with the right spot. Come back, Joey.
Keep go forward. I think.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Go. Forward.
Alright, keep going. Keep going a little more.
And hold right there. Other way, Luke. Oh, you can't. Hey, that's good until he gets home and wants to butter it out. That's money.
I just gotta get home.
That's money. You're almost not even gonna adjust it.
A lot of fucking room.
You're probably not even gonna fuck with it, honestly. Being real. I know you.
Whose is this?
Dude, that's clearance.
Dude, that's good enough.
Solid.
If anything, it's just gonna help with
Now you
fitment.
got your, you got your new VIP curtains,
cut that
dude.
thing.
You get the lunch.
Your ear all good? Yeah, dude, it was fucking ringing right after, dude.
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't hurt, but fucking the airbag like freaked me the fuck out, dude.
Most of the time.
I hit my tree in my airbag. I hit that
Bro,
tree.
E-Dog when his
didn't go off.
That's what I'm saying.
E-Dog and his
fucking
SC400
that
back.
That was good. Yeah. That was pretty good. Pretty good. Look, Luke's just patiently waiting for the best rollback of the day, bro. Come on, man! I spun out twice. First time almost went off the inside of the cliff, and second time spun and bodied 2 cars because of it. Shit happens. Name of the game. We'll probably do a little bit more driving on the way out, but if we do, I'll film it and put it right before this. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Are you even filming me right now?
Yeah.
You can see me in that?
Yeah.
Damn, 0.5 wide as fuck.
Yeah.